How to buy modded GTA 5 accounts on Eldorado.gg. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase an account that has mods GTA 5 using Eldorado. So first is, of course, pull up your preferred web browser and head straight into Eldorado.gg's official website. And once you're here, make sure to log in into your account first. Now, before you go ahead and select GTA 5 in here, you're going to make sure that your payment method has already been set up. At the top right, click this account profile picture right here, and then head into account settings. Now, from the payments tab, simply scroll down, and then under security, make sure that you already set up your 2FA or the two-factor authentication for you to enable withdrawals and purchases on your Eldorado account. Once you've done that, just simply go into the homepage of Eldorado, go into accounts, and then choose on Grand Theft Auto 5. And then from here, just simply choose on all unlocked and make sure to choose what specific device you would like the account to be used. Say, for example, on PC, PlayStation 4, and so on and so forth. Now, from here, you can go ahead and choose your preferred account that has a different price, and then it also has a different modded inclusion in it. Simply click that, add this into your cart, and place the order. And that is how you buy modded GTA 5 accounts on Eldorado.